Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a like to a group on the Instagram app on your PC with the latest update. Instagram has made it super easy to interact with your friends and groups right from your desktop, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side menu where you'll find the Messages icon. Click on this icon to open your direct messages and group chats. Next, scroll through your conversations and find the group you want to send a like to. Click on that group to open the chat window where you can see all the messages exchanged. Now, at the message box at the bottom of the chat, you'll see a like icon, usually shaped like a heart or thumbs up. Simply click on this icon to send a like to the group. It's a quick and easy way to show your appreciation or agreement without typing a message. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily send likes in your Instagram group chats from your PC. This new feature makes group conversations more lively and engaging, helping you stay connected with your friends and communities effortlessly. Give it a try and watch how your group chats become more interactive and fun. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your friends on Instagram in this fresh, convenient way.